Today, going to open Peppa Pig's picnic time. Let's open it up. This is Candy Cat. Ooh, nice trees. This is Peppa Pig. I got picnic table. This is awesome. Let's sit down. This part has lots of flowers. Let's give them some food. We have carrot, bread, banana, pencil, apple, and iced tea. And Peppa Pig. Yum 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 yum. Candy Cat. Here you go. It's some. Let's drink. I'm so full. Me too. Let's run. I'm running so fast. This makes red and green Play-Doh to become brown money puddles. Finish. We have money puddles. Kitty Cat and Peppa Pig will jump on the muddy puddles. Woo-wee! Jump, jump, jump! Woo!